So just a recovery body shop. This is a dual air conditioning system in the rear, and the rear door was damaged and it pushed in a little bit and it buckled. I mean, it's almost unseeable, the quarter panel a little bit. Now here in America, we don't repair, well, some places do, but they're gonna be up to brand new vehicles still under factory warranty and all that stuff like that, gonna replace the quarter panel. And even though the damage was here and a little bit right down here on the dog leg, okay, now we know if you were down in South America and Asia countries and Middle Eastern countries, this gets repaired. But here in America, all this gets replaced. So because he has to get back here, the HVAC box is in the way, and he's going to remove this so he could do the quarter panel and reskin this. So I'm recovering the refrigerant out so he could take this apart, and you could see where the air comes off the top here when you want the floor, and it goes through the tube here, it comes underneath, and you see this, there's a little slot right here, then it goes underneath, goes under the other chair, and there's another slot. That's your floor air for right here, so you can have heating or cooling right through on your feet. And then if you want to go up to your head, as you can see, there's the vents up there. And on this one, let me see if I can touch it. Where is it at? Where are you located? Why am I having a problem locating the vents that are going up? Somebody help me here. Okay, so this is the vent. This is the in. Here's your fan. It sucks in from behind here, and there's no filters on these. Oh, it's missing. There it goes. So right here, the vent hooks on right here, and it comes inside here, and it's very small, and it goes right up here, and it goes right up here, and it attaches to this, which like it made out of a material kind of thing, and the hot or the cold air goes through here, and it travels over to all your vents above your head, and that's how that works. And I hear that my recovery unit stopped. Time for me to go. 7:30 in the morning, and tried to get out here at 6:30, as sometimes the guys get in here really early but all the doors are shut, and I could knock on the door, somebody could let me in, and I could start my day really early pounding out cars starting at 6:30 for those kind of shops. And it's a good day if you could start at 6:30 in the morning when all the shops are closed. You get more work done because you're not getting the inrush of phone calls in, so you could pound out, because when you're the one who answers the phone while you're working, that slows you down. But if you could start at 6:30 in the morning, even 6 in the morning. Years ago, I used to start at 6 in the morning, sometimes earlier, because I had shops that guys would get in there like 5:30 in the morning because they were driving 2 hours to get to San Francisco from where they live. So they'd come extra early, get off by 3, and go home and beat the traffic. And I used to do that. And then I had shops that would stay open to 8 or 9 or 10 o'clock at night. And what they would do is after 5 or 6, they close their doors, and they would have guys working through the night, or, you know, till night. And when I was young and I had lots of energy and I wanted to make that money, you start at 6, 5:45 in the morning, get home at 9, 10. Yeah, that's no life, but within 5 years you could buy a house. And so that was the way I used to work when I was young. And I'm too old. Can't do that kind of stuff anymore. And you find a time where that does get tired. And but I got to tell you one thing though, guys, if you can do it, starting your own business is the way to go. Unless you can work for a really good shop owner who really knows how to write tags and properly charge for diagnosis and all the procedures, because if the owner of the shop does not know how to write a correct tag and diagnostic work and everything like that, you as an employee will never make money, because he can never make money, so you will never make money. The top guy will always get gold in his pocket and bank account, but you get left breadcrumbs. So educate yourself, become better, and if you can't make your place of employment better, move on or do it yourself. See you guys later. I know some guys don't like hearing that message.